Hey guys, I'm Meet Soni. Welcome to my channel if you're looking for job opportunities in the tech field. This video can save you hours of job hunting. The company we're talking about today is Oracle. Oracle is a global MNC known for its enterprise software, cloud solutions, and databases. If you're someone who wants to add a strong brand name to your resume and gain real corporate exposure, this is a great opportunity. They are hiring for the role of student intern. This is an internship role and comes under Oracle's temporary hire program. The role is an individual contributor position, which means you'll be working on assigned tasks and responsibilities as part of the team. Now, talking about who can apply. This role is open to students and freshers, with 0 to 2+ years of experience mentioned. Applicants should be comfortable with reading, writing, and speaking English. No security clearance is required for this role. Coming to some additional details, this position falls under career level YC0 and is commonly used for student and intern hiring at Oracle. You'll be working in a professional environment and performing hourly job duties as defined for temporary roles. Since detailed skill requirements are not clearly specified, if you are a student interested in learning, gaining industry exposure, and working in a structured MNC environment, you should definitely consider applying. Don't worry if you feel you're missing some of the skills. I've already uploaded helpful cheat sheets and practice materials for you. You can scan the QR code on the screen or check out the resources link in the description. The application links are also available in the description box. If you need help with resume building, I've shared proven resume templates, cover letter samples, and resume tips from top universities like Harvard and Stanford. You can check them out using the link provided in description box. I only share verified job opportunities, so make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications for new updates, and don't forget to like the video. Till then, keep applying and keep learning. Thank you.